Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. My name is Olivia, and today I am going to be sharing with you 9 Christmas decoration ideas with pine cones. Now, you know me, I am all about decorating on a budget and really creating that designer look for less. So, I am sharing all of my decorating tricks so that you can create the same look in your home as well. If you enjoy watching and find this video helpful, make sure you give it a big thumbs up, hit that like button. And I want to give a huge thank. Pine cones are the perfect way to add a touch of rustic charm and natural beauty to your holiday decor. Not only are they versatile and budget-friendly, but they also bring that cozy, woodland feel that makes the season extra special. Whether you're looking to create elegant centerpieces, charming ornaments, or unique wreaths, pine cones can transform any space into a winter wonderland. Join us as we explore creative and inspiring ways to incorporate these natural treasures into your Christmas decorations this year. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. 1. Evergreen Table Runner. Construct an organic table display that will be appreciated long after mealtime. Here, pine cones and fresh greenery surround rustic steel-framed lanterns, conveying the casual atmosphere of the outdoors. Light the candles before guests arrive to create a cozy ambience. 2. Pine cone napkin rings. These floral napkin rings add a charming touch to your holiday table. Use scissors to cut pine cones into miniature flowers, then glue gold beads to the center. Hot glue the flowers to wooden napkin rings and attach them to a branch to make a beautiful holiday centerpiece. 3. Pine cone bottle stoppers. To give your home bar a wintry feel, hot glue pine cones onto corks or bottle stoppers. Display the bottles on a festive bar cart or use them as the perfect hostess gift in a water carafe in a guest bedroom. 4. Pine cone mantelpiece. Add interest to your fireplace mantel with a garland tucked with pine cones and glass ornaments. Vary the sizes and colors of the ornaments for a more spirited look. Here, mementos crafted from the bottom inch of Christmas trees from years past dangle between the boughs. 5. Holiday pine cone garland. Whether hung outside your home or by your fireplace mantel, a garland is a staple for cold winter months. String together cranberries and pine cones to create a simple festive garland perfect for anywhere in your home. Add eucalyptus leaves or faux greenery to finish off the look. 6. DIY pine cone wreath. Display these beauties in their natural environment with an outdoor pine cone wreath. For a non-traditional look, flock the pine cones and add metallic gold accents like ornaments and walnuts. Hot glue or tuck in berries, nuts, or evergreen sprigs for a more seasonal look, or keep monochromatic with a large gold ribbon for a contemporary twist. 7. Classic garland twist. Use pine cones to put an unexpected spin on classic holiday decor. Here, pine cones take the place of typical greenery for a bountiful garland that makes a traditional space feel cozier. Velvet ribbons tie off the ends with a flourish. 8. Seasonal pine cone swag. Gather the best of nature's gifts in one bountiful outdoor arrangement. Tuck pine cones into lush greenery like eucalyptus and evergreen branches for a door decoration that adds major holiday curb appeal. The swag with faux berries and top it off with a festive red bough. 9. Center of attention. Round up an assortment of pine cones for a table centerpiece that overflows with seasonal charm. Choose a large ceramic platter or tray and fill it with pine cones, sprigs of holly berries, and votive candles. Place the arrangement on a neutral table runner for a simply beautiful Christmas. Thank you so much for joining us in exploring these Christmas decoration ideas with pine cones. We hope these creative and festive ideas inspire you to add a touch of nature to your holiday decor this season. From elegant centerpieces to cozy ornaments, pine cones are truly a versatile way to bring warmth and charm into your home. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it, and subscribe to our channel for more holiday decorating tips and ideas. Wishing you all a joyful and beautifully decorated Christmas. See you in the next video. Happy holidays!